Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make fluorescent tube light wiring with electrical choke wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Switch, electronic ballast choke, fluorescent tube. Phase connection input to switch, phase connection output from switch to connect electronic ballast choke, phase connection outgoing from ballast to fluorescent tube, another connection outgoing from ballast to tube another point, neutral connection connected to electric ballast, neutral connection outgoing from ballast to connect tube another point, another neutral wire outgoing from ballast to connect tube. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.